divide your hair into upper and lower parts. Use a 38mm curling iron. Preheat the curling stick first, then divide the hair into 2 parts. The hair is heated first, then next, curl the hair roots. Pull it slightly, then roll it up in the middle. Stay for a while before rolling up the entire hair. Just like this now, the second one is the same. Just repeat the previous actions we did. The clip must always face outward. Curl the hair root first, then stay for a while. A small portion of this type of broken hair can be saved. It will be somewhat rigid when rolled up. Later, we'll brush these up so they combine into one volume. Now let's do the upper part. The method is exactly the same. The clip still facing out. After finishing the curl, brush them up. Lightly comb your hair from inside and out. Take a small comb and divide your hair. Pick up a small hair, then perm the hair roots in the opposite direction. Give it the same roll outwards. Do you see that arc effect? Now do the same on the other side.